Hey everyone, it is Time Crunch Tuesday, and this week we're going to go back to the food portion, and I'm going to show you how to prepare lunches ahead of time, as well as dinners, I guess. So one of the things I always say that's really important when starting a healthy lifestyle is pre-cutting your fruits and vegetables as soon as you get home from the grocery store, because you're already in the mode of going grocery shopping, coming back, putting them away. So you're only tacking on an extra 10 minutes as opposed to adding on another 10 minutes for something else that you're doing. So what I just did was we went to Whole Foods today and I got some nice peppers, and I have broccoli here and celery. So what I'm going to show you is just not how to cut vegetables. You probably know how to do that, and I'm not even that good at it. So just slice them up really thin, and what I like to do is take a little baggie and sector them off so you could have them ready for dinner or lunch whenever you want to grab and go, and write down the date. So today is the 19th of when they were cut, so you know when they're fresh, and you have them here. These are cut. So just put them in your crisper when you're finished, and it'll be really great to grab and go for a snack. You can put it with hummus, you can put it in your lunch with some ranch dip. They like the ranch to go. My personal favorite is hummus because I'm not really a big fan of ranch. So just by cutting up these peppers and dividing them in bags, if you have many kids, you could do a little bit for each one. You could space them out. Maybe Mondays and Wednesdays are pepper day, and on Tuesdays and Thursdays you get celery. Another thing that I did was cut up some broccoli, and I put it in a container like this, so they're just little trees. You could do this so that because the broccoli kind of gets funny if you put it in a Ziploc baggie, and we like using this for lunch, just dipping into plain hummus again, or sauteing it for dinner. I love baking broccoli to roast it. If you ever saw my Instagram posts, I always post roasted broccoli in the oven at 425 for about 20 minutes. Just put some olive oil, salt and pepper, and garlic powder on them before throwing them in the oven. Delicious. So having it pre-cut is so much easier. It saves so much time having this done. We are doing a Mediterranean mixed plate tomorrow night for dinner, so that is what these veggies are going to be used for. And the broccoli is going to be used for dinner actually tonight to be roasted in the oven. So this is my quick Time Crunch Tuesday tip of the week. Cut your veggies when you get home from the grocery store, put them in individual baggies, label them when you cut them so you know if they're fresh, and you have yourself your Time Crunch Tuesday tip of the week. I look forward to seeing you all next week. Thank you so much, and have a great day.